The lack of trust in this crypto space has really become a matter of great concern. Many people in this space have been scammed, they have been defrauded of their hard-earned money in this crypto space. There are many people hovering around the internet claiming to be crypto merchants or crypto buyers. Now, these are people who you meet online, you pay them money to give you crypto. At the end of the day, you discover that they are scammers. And the funny part of this is that most people who are victims of these incidents are newbies in the crypto space. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the reason I'm creating this video today, to give you the step-by-step guideline on how you can buy these cryptos yourself as a newbie without any external assistance. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dobis Crypto Series channel. This is a channel where we upload and share knowledge about cryptocurrency for newbies and how to help newbies to grow their career in the crypto industry. Now, watch this video to the end and follow the steps. For the purpose of this video, we shall be making use of our BitGet exchange. Now, before we proceed, if this is your first time of visiting this channel, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop your comment in the comment section below. So, like I said, we shall be making use of our BitGet exchange. Okay, now, if you do not have a BitGet exchange, I'm going to drop the link for the registration in the description of this video. You click on the link, then you register. Okay, now, once you register, you open your wallet. Okay, make sure that you do your verification before you start using any of your national identity document. It could be your driver's license, international passport, or your resident permit. Okay, now when you open your account, this is how it's going to look like. So what you do is you click on the add fund button here, which is this. When you click on add funds, it will bring you to this page where you have several options. So the one we're interested in is the P2P trading. You click on P2P trading. Now, what we're trying to do now is we are trying to get what we call the USDT. It is when we get this USDT, we can now exchange it to the cryptocurrency that we want to buy. Now here we have the sell and the buy option. Because we want to buy, we're going to leave it at the buy section and make sure that it is at the P2P section. Okay, so here we have different merchants that are here. Okay, these are the different merchants in this app. So you can select anyone you want. You can sort it out by here clicking limit. When you tap on limit, you can impute the amount of money that you want to buy so that it will help you search for the merchants that transact within the limit that you want to buy, that transacts within the limit of amount that you want to buy. So let's say for this video, let's say just for tutorial purpose, let's just say 15,000 naira. Then the next thing you do is you click on this method. Okay, tap on this method. Then here select bank transfer, which is this very one. So once you select bank transfer, then the system automatically will search for the merchants that are available. Then also, I always like using the merchant. So I will turn on this merchant icon on. Okay, then from here I can now select. Okay, these are the various merchants which I can select. So I can just maybe select this person. Okay, so I'll just tap on it. Okay, then here I'm going to impute the amount of money that I want. Okay, let's say it's 15,000, right? Okay, then I'll make sure that the bank transfer is here. If it is not here, you click on this button to select the bank transfer. Then once that is done, after you must have checked, you click on buy USDT with 0 fees. Then it will bring you here. Now this is the section where you are going to get the detail of the merchant. You send this money to this merchant. Now, you do not have to be scared about the merchants that are in this system. These merchants are verified by the BitGet exchange team, of which if you are not verified with them, you cannot be a merchant here. And also their cryptocurrencies are locked up by this system, of which when they discover any fraudulent activity, that person's account will be tagged red, and it's a big problem. So it is very difficult for you to find out scammers in this system. So it is to some reasonable extent reliable. So the next thing you do is you can click on this chat button to chat the person. Maybe you can send him a random message. Hi, are you online? Okay, you can then click on the send. Okay, then you can go back. You can just click on next to get the person's detail. Then these are the person's details. Now you are paying 15,000 naira. This is the person's name. This is the payment method. This is the bank name. This is the account number, the branch number, and just the details. So you just have to click and send the money. You just have to copy this account number, then you send it to the person. So we tap on the copy icon here to copy this person's account number. Then we'll go over to our mobile banking app and transfer this exact money to the person. Okay, so once you're done making the payment, you click on the paid button, that is this very one here. You click on the paid button. Then once you hit that, you select the first one on the screen, okay, as highlighted. Then you click on the confirm button. So once you do that, this is what is going to appear. So you need to give these merchants some time. You give him some time so that he will respond to you and he will deposit the USDT into your wallet. So just give him some time. So you're going to get a message just as you see it on the screen here. You'll see completed. So just hit on this back button to go back. Once you see that message completed, what it means is that the person have released the assets to you. That is the one you paid for. Okay, so I'm going to click on the view asset button right now so that I'm going to see the assets that I have just purchased. And when I refresh this page, you discover that these are the list of the cryptos that I have in this wallet, but the USDT is still showing 0. Now, why is it so? It is because currently I am in the spot wallet section. If you are in the spot wallet section, you are not going to see it. You will need to transfer it from your funding wallet into your spot wallet so that you can make use of it in the spot wallet to make transaction. So now I'll hit on the transfer button to transfer it. Then here I'm going to click on this arrow to select. Once I click on the arrow, I'm going to select funding. Okay, then I will leave this one to be spot. If this is not spot, just click on this arrow to select the spot option. Then and make sure that here we have USDT. If USDT is not displayed here, just click on this arrow here to select the USDT. Then I'm going to hit now on the all button because I want to transfer all. And this is the USDT that I just bought. Okay, the 15,000 naira which I paid to that crypto merchant amounts to $8.98. So I'm going to click right now on the confirm button, which is this. Okay, I'll click on confirm. Then just give it some seconds. Yes, it has gone. So I will go back to my wallet and check. Do you discover that the USDT has appeared and it is $8.9 approximately? Okay, so what we'll do next is, what is that cryptocurrency that you want to buy? Is it Dogecoin? Is it Ethereum? Is it Bitcoin? Or whatever currency it is, you can now buy it because you have gotten the USDT. So we're going to swap this USDT now to that particular cryptocurrency that we want to buy. So in doing that, what you need to do is you click on the trade button. Then here, you're going to click here to search and select that particular cryptocurrency that you want to buy. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be buying, let me say, I'll be buying Dogecoin, for instance. So I'll just type Doge. Then here, I'm going to select Doge/USDT because that is what I have. Okay, I have USDT and I want to swap it to Doge. So the one I'm going to select is Doge against USDT. Not Doge against Euros, not Doge against BTC, but Doge against USDT. So I'll select it. Then here I am going to make sure that it is an market. Okay, if you click on the arrow, you discover that there are different options here. So just select the market. Then I'm going to drag this arrow from here to 100% to make use of all the USDT that I have to buy this Dogecoin. So once I do that, the next thing I'll do is I'm going to hit on the buy Doge button. And once I click on that, it says that it is successful. So I will go back and I will click on the asset button, which is this very one. Then I will refresh the page. You see now that the USDT is gone and Doge has displayed. That means I have swapped the USDT that I bought to get Doge. This is how it is. It is very, very simple. Okay, you can see following the steps that I've shown you how I bought Doge. In your own case, you can decide to buy any cryptocurrency of your choice. You follow this pattern and that is how it works. It is that simple. Now, if you have any question regarding this, please do well to drop your question in the comment section below and I will attend to those questions. If you're having any difficulty at all, or if there is any video you want me to create as regards trading or cryptocurrency, do well to drop it in the comment section below and I'm going to respond to that. Thank you guys for being with me till the end of this video. Remember to subscribe, remember to like this video, remember to share this video, and don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Thank you once again, and I hope to see you in my next video.